Ever experience that heart-stopping moment when your car suddenly stalls or hesitates while you're cruising down the road? It's like a scene from a suspenseful thriller, leaving you wondering, what's going on under the hood? Well, buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mystery behind why your car might be stalling or hesitating. Car stalling or hesitating is not just an inconvenience. It can be downright dangerous, especially when it happens unexpectedly. Several factors could be at play here, ranging from simple maintenance issues to more complex mechanical problems. Understanding these reasons can help you diagnose the issue quicker and get back on the road with confidence. 1. Fuel system problems. One of the most common culprits behind car stalling or hesitating is issues with the fuel system. Clogged fuel filters, a malfunctioning fuel pump, or dirty fuel injectors can disrupt the flow of fuel to the engine, causing it to sputter or stall. 2. Ignition system issues. A faulty ignition system can also lead to stalling or hesitation. Problems with the spark plugs, ignition coils, or ignition control module can result in misfires, causing the engine to stumble or stall unexpectedly. 3. Airflow restrictions. Restricted airflow to the engine, often caused by a dirty air filter or a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, can disrupt the air-fuel mixture ratio, leading to hesitation or stalling, particularly during acceleration. 4. Engine sensors malfunction. Modern vehicles rely heavily on various sensors to monitor engine performance. If sensors such as the throttle position sensor, oxygen sensor, or crankshaft position sensor malfunction, they can send incorrect signals to the engine control unit, resulting in stalling or hesitation. 5. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the vacuum system can introduce unwanted air into the engine, upsetting the air-fuel mixture balance and causing performance issues like stalling or hesitation, particularly at idle. Solution. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to preventing and addressing car stalling or hesitation issues. Schedule routine tune-ups to check and replace worn-out components such as spark plugs, filters, and ignition system parts. Keep your fuel system clean by using quality fuel and additives that help prevent carbon buildup. Address any warning lights on your dashboard promptly, as they could indicate underlying issues with sensors or other critical components. If you're experiencing persistent stalling or hesitation despite maintenance efforts, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a qualified mechanic. They can conduct thorough diagnostics to pinpoint the root cause of the problem and perform necessary repairs to get your car running smoothly again. Don't let car troubles stall your journey. Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on car maintenance and troubleshooting. Share this video with friends and family who might find it helpful, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Together, let's keep the road safe and engines running smoothly.